Hi everybody, it's time to talk about project management again, and remember, every day is a great day for project management. Today what we're going to talk about is why Setpoint benefits from our project management system. We believe that we have a system that can work for everybody. Hopefully you've seen some of our other YouTubes. And just to let you all know, we're about to sign a contract with Harvard Business School Press to publish a book about our system. So that's going to be coming within the year. Right now our working title is Profit-Based Project Management. And if you want to make a profit on your projects, I think this book will be something that you'll like to read. What we'd like to talk about today are some of the benefits we've experienced through our project management system. At Setpoint, we're in a very challenging business. We do manufacturing automation, and we designed and built a few roller coasters. The nature of these projects can be very large, multi-million-dollar projects, several months, even a year, year and a half in duration. And so making sure these projects are on track and tracking them accurately is critical to surviving in this industry. In fact, if you go back to our early days, we count 4 generations of competitors that have come and gone while we have survived. A lot of people say, how does Setpoint survive? Even our accountant asked us, how do you survive all these difficult challenges you face? And we all conclude, as we look at our system, that it is our whiteboard and the project management system that we use. That's the key to our success. There's so many ways it helps us. Let me talk about a couple of examples. First of all, every week we track project progress. What that does is it forces us to look at every project, evaluate where it is, make sure that if we're behind that we figure out ways to catch up. In many cases we identify change orders we would not have recognized. All these things come out of this meeting. In this meeting also, if there's problems, everyone in the company is looking at the board, looking at the project. Often an engineer will say, we think this project was just bid wrong. But of course our salespeople are in the meeting too, and they say, no, we don't think you can execute. Several months ago we were in a situation where we were very profitable one month, and we pay a bonus when we make a good profit. Well, our profit is directly correlated with how far along we are in our projects. It turns out that one of our projects was almost done. In fact, it was shrink wrapped, and yet the project engineer still had it at a relatively low percentage, like 80% done. After the meeting, several of our technicians from the shop floor came to us and said, hey, we think this engineer is sandbagging, therefore our bonus is lower. We need to put this project up well over 90% because of where the project is. And as we looked at it, we realized that we had this engineer that was being very careful, wanted to hold back progress in case anything went wrong, and of course, our system's self-correcting because everybody's watching that. It was a great moment because it helped us keep our numbers accurate. One of the things that this does, this system, is it gets everybody involved in the business. And when you get everybody involved, you solve problems. When things are tight, when we're not generating enough revenue to support our business, our expenses organically go down because everybody knows we're tight. I don't have to set out a directive. I don't have to make some new rule that we can't buy anything. It just happens. And that's part of this system. That's part of the benefit of having this open book system. Now there's one other key benefit here. By tracking our projects on a weekly basis, we make project management a critical issue. A lot of people want to do project management, but you're too busy fighting fires. There's too many emergencies out there. What we do by creating this Monday meeting is every project manager in our company knows that they have to update their information so we can put it on our board to see if we're making money on a weekly basis. That makes project management as important as any other critical issue that they deal with on a day-to-day basis. And that's part of why we're able to stay on top of our projects. One of the things I've learned over the years by running this system is you will not be able to predict who gets into the numbers, who understands the project management system. I always thought my engineers, those with master degrees, those are the most experienced, they're going to be the ones that are more involved in the numbers. They're going to be the ones that are always asking questions. But you know what? Some of them don't seem that interested. On the other hand, we have some brand new employees that haven't been with the company that long, don't have any college education, and they get into the numbers. One of the things you'll realize as you go through our book and as you look at our YouTubes is project management and finance are relatively simple. All we're doing is adding and subtracting numbers and dividing. Anyone can do this. You just need to have a framework to follow up, and you need to have a consistent system where you update your projects on a week-to-week or even more frequent basis. When you sum it all up, we believe that Setpoint lives and breathes and survives by our project management system. You've seen it, it's simple, it's straightforward, and you know what? It works. It works very well. It works because we have about 20 years of experience using it, running it, and surviving in a very difficult business. You know, right now it's the middle of February, it's very cold here, it's snowy, and it turns out that it's a beautiful day for project management. But you know what's really interesting? If it was sunny and 75 degrees outside, we'd still have a great day for doing project management.
Setpoint is a leader in turnkey lean automated solutions. For over 18 years, we've been building custom automated solutions for a wide variety of industries.